In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily make illustrations in Figma under 2 minutes as part of our Figma Essentials series. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Figma, which is the go-to tool for collaborative interface design. If you're not already on Figma, open your web browser and navigate to their website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your Figma account. If you don't have an account, it's quite simple to create one, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already set up. Logging in is crucial because it gives you access to all your saved projects and design files. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your central hub for managing your designs and exploring new possibilities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space. It's the launching pad for the creative journey we're embarking on today. Now, the next thing you need to do is click on Design. This section is where all the magic happens. It's where you create, edit, and collaborate on all your design projects. Within this space, you have all the tools you need at your fingertips to bring your illustrations to life. After entering the design section, it's time to look for the action option. You'll find this in the toolbar. This is a powerful feature that allows you to perform various tasks within Figma efficiently. With action, you can automate repetitive jobs, making the design process faster and more fluid. Next, you'll want to search for illustrations within the action feature. This is easily done by using the search bar. By searching for illustrations, you'll be able to quickly locate the tools and resources you need to create your artwork. Once you've done that, you'll see an option called Icon Scout. Icon Scout is an incredible resource for finding high-quality graphical assets. Click on it. Icon Scout integrates seamlessly with Figma, providing a wide range of illustrations that can enhance your design projects. It's a treasure trove of creativity waiting to be explored. After selecting Icon Scout, you will need to click on Run. Running the Icon Scout plugin will initiate its features and allow you to access its vast library of illustrations directly within Figma. This step is essential because it sets up everything you need to start incorporating illustrations into your work. Finally, you will need to click on Illustration. Please note that you must be logged in to use this feature. With everything set up, you're now free to browse through thousands of illustrations, selecting and incorporating them into your designs as needed, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to make illustrations in Figma in under 2 minutes, enhancing your design process and adding creativity to your projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more Figma Essentials.